Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 39. 11, 11, 11. 12, 12. It's 12 o'clock. 12 shoes. 12 shoes. How many shoes do you see? How many shoes do you see? 12. 12. 13. 13. Do you see the door with number 13? Look, there are 2 sheep with number 13. 14. 14. 14 ducklings and Mama Duck. Quack, quack. 15. 15. 15. 16. 16. Sweet 16. Sweet 16. 17. 17. 17. 18. 18. 18. 19. 19. 19. Do you see Max and his number 19? 20. 20. 20. 20. Can you find 14? 14. Can you find 12? 12. Can you find 15? 15. Can you find 11? 11. Find 19. 19. 1. Say the number, Max.
4.
4.
13.
13. Say it louder.
14.
14.
And 20.
20. Check. That's right. Well done. Let's do one more. 1. 6. You say the number. 7. 11.
And
18.
18.
That's right. Well done. Don't forget to say the number, Max. 1.
1. 6.
6.
10.
That's right.
11.
11.
And 15.
15. Check. That's right. Well done. Let's do one more. Dragon. 1. I don't think so. 10. You have a dragon umbrella, remember? 10. Then comes 13. Yes. 17.
And 18.
18. And you have a dragon umbrella. Where is 15? 15. Where is 20? 20. Can you find 13? 13. And a butterfly. Where is 12? 12. It's 12 o'clock. And there are 3 butterflies on the clock. Find 17. 17. Where is 16? 16. Can you find 18? 18. Good job. Well done. Max is stretching. Max is stretching. Who is stretching? Who is stretching? Max is stretching. Max is stretching. Max is wearing black pants, black socks, and a white t-shirt. Max is wearing black pants, black socks, and a white t-shirt. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These boys are friends. These boys are friends. Miroslav the tiger and Max are both standing on Max's scooter. It's summer. Max and Artur are friends too. Is the man sitting or standing? He is sitting. He is wearing a black t-shirt. He is sitting. He is wearing a black t-shirt. Find Max. He is wearing a green t-shirt and green pants. Find Tanya. Her hat is pink. Is Max wearing a hat now? No. The man is wearing black pants. What color are Max's shoes? They are blue. Look, there is some snow on the leaves. Snow. There is some snow on the leaves. There is snow on the leaves. There is snow on the leaves. There are leaves on the snow. Where are the leaves? The leaves are on the snow. There are leaves on the snow. There are leaves on the snow. Max has 5 jack-o'-lanterns. Max, can you please turn on the flashlight? I can't see anything. Okay, turn it off. Look, I can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They glow in the dark. Max, only 3 of them glow. I can't see 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are jack-o'-lanterns. A jack-o'-lantern is a pumpkin with a face. Okay, turn off the light, please. I can see 3, but I know there are 5 of them.
A jack-o'-lantern is a pumpkin with a face.
A jack-o'-lantern is a pumpkin with a face. Max has a lantern. Max is singing a song in Russian. Max has a lantern. Max is walking with his lantern. It's dark, it's evening. The children are dancing. Do you see a dog on Max's t-shirt? The dog is long. The dog on the t-shirt is very long. The man is wearing white running shoes. The woman is wearing a dress. Her dress is short. Her hair is long. Her dress is short. Her hair is long. Long. Short. Long. Short. There are 3 black dresses. They are short. There are 3 black dresses. They are short. This woman is wearing a long purple dress. This woman is wearing a long purple dress. The bird has a long neck. The bird has a long neck. 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 Max is wearing a funny t-shirt. Max is wearing a funny t-shirt. Funny. Funny. Yellow and funny. Yellow and funny. Hello, Max. You look funny. Do you want to look funny today, like Mr. Funny? Can you make a funny face? That's really funny. I am making funny faces. Funny faces. Funny faces. Max is dancing. Some children are standing and some are sitting on the floor. Do you see the long dog on Max's t-shirt? Are the children sitting or standing now? They are all sitting on the floor. Max is wearing a black tie. Can you see his black tie? What are the children doing? They are dancing. There are 12 dancing children here. Max's tie and pants are black. Max's tie and pants are black. Do you have a tie? Do you have a tie? Diana is wearing a beautiful dress. Diana is wearing a beautiful dress. Tanya is playing with Froggy. Tanya is playing with Froggy. Tanya is looking at sleeping Froggy. Tanya and Max are playing a game. Where is Monty? Okay, Max.
Put the blanket on the bed.
Okay, put the red blanket on the bed. Okay.
Put Monty on the blanket.
Put Monty on the blanket. Okay.
And put the blue pillow on the bed.
Okay. Is it correct? Can I see the picture, Max? Yay! Very good, Tanyusha. Well done. Correct. What is the cat's name?
Monty.
Monty. The cat's name is Monty. Okay, very good. Flashback. Flashback. Max, show us the picture. Yay! See, there's a picture. And there's the scene. Where's Monty? Max, is Monty on the bed or under the bed?
On the bed.
Now it's on the bed. Yeah, but it was under the bed. Okay, well done.
The card on the bed too.
The card is on the bed too? Okay.
Fun with Max. Fun with Max.
Fun with Max.
I'm cutting a carrot with a knife.
Max is cutting a carrot with a knife. Who is playing with an octopus? Max is. Max is playing with an octopus. Max is playing with an octopus. Max, show me your octopus. Ooh. What's this? It's an octopus. Max is playing with his octopus, isn't he? Yes, he is. Max is not playing with his shark, is he? No, he isn't. What is Max playing with? He is playing with his octopus. This is our world. Max is writing, this is our world. D. Good job, Max. Это наш мир. This is our world. Thank you. Max is with his father. Max is standing on his hands. He is wearing green pants. Max is playing with his father. Max, which one is yours, yellow or red?
This one.
The yellow one?
Yeah.
I call it yellow. Okay, so you won? Yeah? You won?
I won.
You won. 1-1. Whoa, Bowser. What is the code again?
An infinity.
Infinity? Okay. Wow. Max's dad doesn't speak English. He speaks Russian. Max's dad doesn't speak English. He speaks Russian. Ну что, готовы?
Сейчас я выиграю Макса. Сейчас ему будет конец. Раз, два, три.
Игрушка Макса желтая, как его футболка, да, Макс? А папина игрушка красная. Кто выиграет? Ого, вот это да! Вы видели? Инфинити. Это инфинити. Так.
Нет.
О,
Одинаково.
одинаково? О, ничья!
Сейчас я выиграю.
Сейчас ты выиграешь.
Сейчас. Раз, два, три.
Там тебя напал, да? Что он тебя напрыгал?
Красный, красный, красный.
Желтый, желтый, желтый. Ой,
Красный,
желтый выиграл. О, желтый долго крутится.
Давай еще раз. Третий.
Третий раз, последний раз,
Сейчас я точно выиграю.
сказал папа. Сейчас я точно выиграю.
Раз, два, три. Красный, 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 красный.
Красный или желтый? Желтый, красный, желтый, красный. Кто победит, желтый или красный?
Красный.
Мам, ты твой красный?
Желтый?
Красный.
Желтый опять победил. Молодцы. Молодцы. This is a recipe. This is a recipe. This recipe is in English. And this recipe is in Russian. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.